So now that we have our introduction tab done with my teardrop trailer I'm buying and my scenario 1, my small reasonable payment that's going to take me over 24 years to pay off, what we want is scenario 2. Now, the advantage of using all these formulas, not only can we just drag down to get my 296 months and your however many months it is, it makes scenario 2 way easier. What you're going to do is duplicate scenario 1 and then rename it to scenario 2. So, scenario 2. Up in this top corner, you're going to change it to scenario 2. And my choice for scenario 2 was that I wanted to pay it off in 3 years. So I want to pay off in 3 years, which 3 times 12 is 36 months. So I'm going to go down to my 36 months from 2024. This is not row 36. So 3 years from 2024 is 2027. So I'm going to find October of 2027 and I'm paying it off here. Now, with my current plan, I still owe $34,000 in 3 years. So what I need to do is play a little guess and check game with what my payment is. So let's see if I jump up to $500. Okay, I owe a lot less, but I still owe a lot of money. Let's jump all the way to $1,000. Okay, that's a whole lot closer. I'm almost there. So let's make a smaller jump. What if it was 1,100? Ah, yes, this is perfect. I'm positive in this month and negative in the next month. That's what I'm looking for. If I wasn't, I could check 1,200. That's too much. I could have checked 1,150. You gotta play with it until the year you want is positive that month, negative the next month. So here I am. I'm paid off in 3 years. But what I'm gonna do, my payment this month is not going to be the full $1,100 because I don't owe that much. The same with the bottom of the spreadsheet last time. I'm gonna do equals the amount I owe plus the interest I would owe that month. And that makes my new balance 0. My equity is 0, or my equity is the full amount, and I have my new total amount of interest paid. Now, what I want to do is change my payment after this to be $0. I don't want to delete this. Don't delete the stuff after. You want to just change it to 0 all the way down to however far yours went. So just take that 0 and drag it down. So I got zeros all the way down. That would make the starting amount zeros, interest owed zeros, new balance zeros, equity at the full amount. Drag the zeros down. Do not delete that stuff. That makes a huge difference when you're graphing it. Okay. Other thing I need to adjust. I am now fully paid off at 40. So my total interest paid, I can adjust this to be H40 because that's when I paid it off. That would have my same starting amount, but now my total, only $40,000. I pay way less money in 3 years than I paid in 36 months. And then this part is easy. 36 months, 3 years. And that's it for sheet 2. If you did sheet 1 right, sheet 2 should be really easy.